this is a purple seed, and I don't know what it's called, but it's called I call it wild wolf, wild wolf mix. I call that it. And then this one is the gray one, and we always mix them in each one. And here's all in one pack, and you can use it for the okay. So let's just skip ahead. So this is this guy, shake and feed is okay, and this one is Bullerton Star Pulse, and this one is a vinegary one, I think. Yeah, and then this one, these two.
That's the fertilizer one, the
Yeah.
grass fertilizer.
Yeah. So you're gonna be.
Keep talking.
Wait. You're gonna be listening to a plant and seed video.
And here are all the plant seeds. We're gonna see how they all grow. All right. Say goodbye, Gwenny.
Bye.
Look.
Bye.